So without further ado, let's go on to continue the P5 math paper from Henry Park Primary School. Okay, it's the 2019 SA1 paper. Okay, so this is the first question of paper 2. The ratio of the number of adults to the number of children at the zoo was 2:1, and there were 885 boys and 637 girls at the zoo. Altogether, how many people were at the zoo? Okay, so we're going to add the 885 to 637, which is 1522. This is the total number of children, right? Because boys and girls refers to children. Okay, so 1522 is 1 unit. Okay, adults to children is 2:1, so children is 1 unit. So how many people were at the zoo? That's the total, right? Total is 3 units. 2 unit here plus 1 unit here. 3 units. So 1522 times 3 would be 4566. Okay? So 4566 people. Next question. John wrote a decimal. He wanted to multiply it by 4. Instead, he multiplied it by 7, and the answer was 1.05. 1.05. Okay, divide by 7. Okay, 1.05 divided by 7 is 0.15. If you want to see the workings, it's like this. 1.05, 7. 1 is too small to be divided by 7. Move on to the next one. So, because there's a dot here, you bring the dot up. You read this as a 10, okay? You minus a 10. You read it as a 10. If you want to see the working here, this is a shortcut method. I'm just going to write the 1.05 here, divide by the 7. Okay, 1 is too small to be divided by 7, so it's going to be a 0. There's a dot here, put a dot up also. And then I'm going to read this as 10. Okay, so divided by 7, I'll be left with 1. Okay, remainder 3, bring down a 5. 35 divided by 7 will be a 5. So it's 0.15. Okay, so this is that decimal. This is that decimal. Okay, and he wanted to multiply it by 4. So if I multiply it by 4 is 0.6. That should have been that answer. Okay, so the answer is 0.6. Alright, moving on to the next question. Question 3. Mr. Lee wants to fence his rectangular farm measuring 550 meter by 350 meters. The fence costs $15 per meter. How much does he have to pay in order to fence his rectangular farm? So this is basically a parameters question. 550 plus 350 meters. Okay, this is one side like that. You times 2. One more of this and one more of this. So I times 2. It will be equals to 1800 meter. So the fence costs $15 per meter times 1800 meter. That would be $27,000. Answer is $27,000. Alright. Next question. Question 4. Joe had $4,315 more than Kim at first. Then Kim gave Joe $268. How much more money did Joe have than Kim in the end? This is a classic question where students would just add. Okay, they will just add 4315 plus 268, which is very wrong. Why? If you want to know why, you will see it from the diagram over here. John had this amount more, right? $4,315 more than Kim. Okay, and then Kim gave Joe 268. So this one no more. This one no more. Move here. So if you see the final thing, it really is just the one in black. This whole thing and this thing left. So they want you to find how much does Joe have more than Kim. So how much is that? It is actually 4315 plus 268 times 2. And the answer would be 4851. Okay, moving on to the next question. Study the following solid. Okay, draw its front view and side view of the square grid. So front view is from this angle, right? Let's see, you have 1 here, 2, 3, and the 4th one here. Are they going to be the same height? This one is only 1, but then this is 2 layers. So actually from the front view, I'm just going to see, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I actually said wrongly. This one doesn't have, because from the front view it's actually 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. Okay, so the front view is just like this. Alright, and then now let's look at the side view. Side view is on this angle. You have 1 here, okay, 2 over here is hidden, it's represented by this one, 3, and then 4. And then let's look at the height. This will be 2 units, yes, this will be 2 units. This one is 1 unit, but then behind got 1, so it's 2 units as well. This side is only 1 unit. Okay, so my side view would be 3 at the side and only 1 at the side. 3 by 2 and 1 by 1 over here. Okay, let's draw it again. Okay, if you still feel confused, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Alright, and it is going to be 2 layers high. Okay, and then for the last one it's only 1. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. That's why it's like that. Okay, you need a bit of visualization for this kind of questions. Alright, unless you build a model on a computer and you can rotate it to see it.